Hi, I am Rafael Dominic A. Chico from grade 5 St. John, and today I'm going to cook beef broccoli for my TLE performance task. The ingredients are 1 pound of beef sliced into pieces, 1 tablespoon of Knorr liquid seasoning, 1 teaspoon of granulated white sugar, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic,
onion, 1/4 cup cooking oil, and ground black pepper.
We are going to blanch the broccoli. We are going to saute the garlic, ginger, and onion. First, we are going to add oil on the pan. Now we are going to put a 3/4 cup of water in the beef so it can tender. Now we are going to wait until the beef tenders.
And then we add the sesame oil. Now this is the finished product of the beef broccoli and it smells delicious.
The vegetable is so good. It's crunchy and it's not overcooked. And the beef is so smooth and juicy. Delicious. Delicioso.
So I'm going to try this food. Yeah, there. Try the broccoli first. Tasty. And let's see what does this taste like. Wow! Ang sarap!
Now we are going to give my lola some beef broccoli.
Did they give you menu for this? Or how did you cook it?
They told me to make either vegetable meat, poultry, or fish, so I chose meat.
Delicious and crunchy. Chef ka na. Sarap, hindi maalat. Tama lang yung lasa, masarap. Oh,
Yeah.
masarap.
Yan! Okay, gano'n.
Oh,
Yeah.
masarap.
Yan! Okay, gano'n.
Oh,
Yeah.
masarap.
Yan! Okay,